Okay, so next, move on. So next is, why do we use Figma? Okay, so my first and the most best part is do it all in one single tool. As I said earlier, Figma is the jack of all trades, and you can design, prototype, share, and collect feedback all in one single tool. And along with FigJam, you can even do the UX activities. So what more you can ask for. So it's a very good thing to have in a one thing. And for the UI UX designer, you just need one tool, and that's all. You can do 90% of the work, I would say, in that. So yeah. So the next is, edit appears instantly in prototype. So this is the most helpful part for me, because whenever I design a mobile app or a web app, or especially in mobile, so trust me, it looks way different in your mobile, trust me. So thanks to Figma mobile app, which allows me to see my prototype directly on my mobile with the real time changes, as I do in my design file. So of course you can see those changes directly in the prototype mode of the Figma as well. For example, and if you are just making a web app or any SaaS product, so obviously you can just use the Figma browser prototype mode, and you can view it. Okay. So the next is, prototyping in Figma is robust. So, with multiple triggers, action, transitions, and overflow behaviors, and my favorite is Smart Animate. All these features comes with Figma, and trust me, it all these brings life to my design. And if you use them appropriately and properly, trust me, it will do wonders. Okay, so the next is, get comments on your prototypes in real time. So trust me, this feature is boon to UI UX designer. So nowadays everyone prefers to work from home, and usually clients are from the overseas. So their feedback is very essential to your designs. So for that, Figma allows you to just share a link. You just get a link of your design file, your prototype, or anything, and you can just let them know how you can, run a prototype, and how you can make comments on that. They can even make contents on each, comment on each and every, segment of your prototype, like on each and every design of your prototype. So it is very helpful. Like if they want anything, so you can know by that. So yeah, so this is why we I think we prefer Figma over anything for prototyping.